If you've encountered security checks on Snapchat and need to restore full access to your account, follow these steps to regain control. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Check for security emails. Look for any emails from Snapchat regarding your account security. These emails may contain instructions or links to help you secure your account. Follow any provided steps carefully to ensure your account is restored. Step 3. Reset your password. If you still cannot access your account, consider resetting your password. Use the Forgot Password option on the login screen and follow the prompts to receive a password reset link via email or SMS. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Once you regain access, enhance your account security by enabling two-factor authentication. Go to your account settings, find the security section, and follow the instructions to set up this feature for added protection. Step 5. Review account activity. After restoring access, review your account activity for any unauthorized actions. Check your friends list, snaps, and messages. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to Snapchat immediately. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Snapchat account and enhance its security for the future. Always stay vigilant about your account's safety.